Good morning, my name's Lee Kane. I'm from Scotland. I decided through looking on the internet many implantologists, and I eventually came upon Dr. Nuri at NuriDent in Sofia in Bulgaria, who do immediate loading implants. After reading a lot of reviews, I decided to travel from Scotland to Bulgaria to get my uppers done, and upon arrival I happened to ask Dr. Nuri the impossible, which was to get the lowers and the uppers done in such a small space of time. And miraculously, Dr. Nuri managed to achieve this. I started my treatment on Monday, and throughout the course of the week, Dr. Nuri at NuriDent and his team worked tirelessly to achieve what I feel was the impossible, and I have now beautiful uppers and lower teeth, for which I am really grateful. The results from NuriDent are fantastic, more than I could possibly have imagined. I personally was not the easiest patient, I have to admit, because of my history with dentists and my experiences with dentists. So I was a very anxious and uptight patient, which the NuriDent team dealt with, thankfully. And the net result are these beautiful teeth. I can smile again. I can laugh openly, and it was very much worth the trip to come to Sofia to see Dr. Nuri and his staff at NuriDent. It is, at the end, now I'm so grateful that I've done it, and I am so eternally grateful to Dr. Nuri and his team at NuriDent for restoring my smile, my confidence, and pretty much a lot of my life back again. And it's been good, and I'm thankful. Thank you.